Hi, I'm Roger Helgeson, president of the Truss Company. Founded in 1985, we've grown from a single plant in Tacoma, Washington, to 8 plants operating on the West Coast, from the Canadian border to the Bay Area. We now employ over 600 people in 3 states. Innovation and creativity have allowed our company to excel where others were unable to survive. In 2014, we were faced with replacing component saws that were 10 years old or more, and we started looking for a solution. We needed to find a saw that wasn't simply a replacement of that same 10-year-old technology, but one that is fast, reliable, easy to maintain, and safe. That's when we found Enventek and the Retro C. The first thing that hits you is the speed. Capable of 100 boards a minute, it gets your attention. Equally impressive is the AutoFeed system that ensures that every spot on the infeed is filled and is intelligently feeding itself lumber. We also found the Retro C to be safer. They put the operator on the stationary side of their saw rather than the carriage side, keeping employees further away from moving parts and reducing the risk of injury. It's been 8 years since our first purchase. We now own 6 saws, with a 7th on the way this year. I think you will be pleasantly surprised, like we were, with its value, safety, ease to operate and maintain. Easily one of the best choices we've ever made at the Truss Company. No regrets.
Hello, my name is Chris Busselman, and I am the GM at the Truss Companies Pasco location, located in Eastern Washington. We have struggled with equipment parts and availability for years. Enventek's Retro C largely uses off-the-shelf parts that can be sourced at local supply houses, not proprietary parts only available from the manufacturer. This has kept our repair time and total maintenance costs lower than the competitor's equipment. This saw has proven to be more reliable, faster, and more cost-effective to maintain and operate. Dave and Larry have been great to work with. The support we receive is second to none in the industry, and we look forward to working together for years to come.